Just made it over to France, come out of the train, and we jumped into the car because it's raining. So we are on our way to Vert Mont for an amazing meal. Nico's going to do most of the driving because, well, he's done the driving in France.
Bonjour, bienvenue à l'Auberge Du Vert Mont. All right, do that again. Hi, we arrived finally at the Vermont Hotel restaurant.
And we're going to get tucked into a Michelin star meal. The main thing is our drinks are waiting inside, so we're going to in.
So hello guys, I'm Lucas Fostré, the executive chef of the Vermont in the north of the France, close to the Belgium. Here everything is natural. We use only 100% of local product. So we don't use, for example, coffee, chocolate, or vanilla. So everything you're gonna see on the dish is taken from us for our local producer. So here, for example, it's a dish. It's about cauliflower and bread. So we have a cauliflower cooked on brown butter with the trimming of the cauliflower, make a puree. Also, we have a sauce made with the trimming of the cauliflower, so the green part. Usually we chew it, but us, we keep it and we make a very deep and strong sauce with that. That's it.
Oh my God, I just saw the fire in the background. There we go.
This what we have in here is grilled fennel. Here we have making there that we slice together with a little bit of oil of langoustine, a little bit of kombucha, and salt together with a little bit of tomato paste. And on the side is I've got this langoustine foam.
So this is the main course. It's Chinese cabbage. We stuff with a force of Chinese cabbage, fermented mushroom, and kimchi. On the side you have grill, and on top of the cabbage you have fresh sorrel from the garden.
3 courses in now. Nico, how have you found it?
So far, so good. I mean, look, we have a little cutlery box.
Everything we need, and we have the accompanying wine. I'm not a wine drinker, but Nico is educating me about what goes with what. So we're going to say goodnight now. We'll see you again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
So, bye. Day 2, and we're in France. And last night we had a fantastic meal at Vert Mont.
I have to say, a little downfall this morning. There's no coffee around Calais, so we had to skip the coffee.
Laura's going to talk us through the route, and I think we've got 150k for the day, so it's going to be a bigger one than yesterday, but we've got it in our legs, I'm sure. So let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, so we've got 150k today. We're going into Belgium first, into Flanders, do a couple of famous climbs, and then we roll back into France, and then we've got some Roubaix cobbles.
Oh wow, what a mix.
Let's go.
K's in, and Roubaix did its beautiful castle.
My arms are in pieces. I've been on cobbles for like 30 seconds, and people do that for 80 minutes. The food in general was fantastic. Everything was sourced within 20 kilometers. It's just one of those meals you walk away from. It's like, I've eaten well.
We're about 30k south of Lille.
Okay, well these roads have been glorious, and apart from the occasional crosswind, it's been great.
You were loving it, putting it in the gutter.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah.
We had Laura telling you to move out to give us a bit of space.
I know, I've learned how to ride echelons properly and some road etiquette. But yeah, there's been some opportunities to put the hammer down, but now it's time to pile in some carbs, get the frites down us, and we've also been provided with these wonderful cakes, which I don't know which one you want. Probably the one that fell out of the box, maybe?
I like the nuts there and the crème de marron.
I think we're gonna be here for another 5 minutes and then get back on because we've still got another 75k to do.
Yeah.
But if the weather stays like this and we've got more tailwind behind us, then we'll be there in no time.
Yep.
Keep those legs fresh. energy high, and on to the next place for another meal. Looking forward to it. So day one, we started off Brands Hatch on the track, nice smooth tarmac, then rolled out to the countryside, hit the grit, a little bit of wet on the road, and then over into Belgium today, where we've done a little bit of cobbles, a little bit of rough stuff, and some lovely smooth tarmac. And these Michelin tyres have taken everything that I've thrown at them. Feel pretty safe sucking Nico's wheel behind him and going into those corners. But now we're going to go and test them on the cobbles. This is a section from Paris-Roubaix back in 2016. And yeah, we're going to see whether I can cope with them, because the tyres I know will. That section that we went on earlier, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. My forearms are pretty painful, and I find myself slowing down quite quickly. I mean, what are the tips to make it better?
The basic ones is it's good to have the hands here, not squeeze too much. Just kind of, you almost kind of let them a little bit loose to absorb the kind of vibrations. And in terms of cadence, it's good to have kind of a medium cadence. So if you have a big gear, you kind of feel that you're losing that momentum. If you have too much of a small gear, you feel that everything is jumping around.
Yeah.
So it's about finding that kind of intermediate gear that just kind of rolls smoothly over it.
Yeah.
And the trick with cobbles is, that's why it's also so difficult. It's kind of the faster you go over them, the more you kind of fly over them.
Yeah.
So when you're going at, even like, for example, when you see the guys doing the recons of Paris-Roubaix, they always do the sectors quite fast.
Right.
Because it's just when you carry that momentum, you kind of fly over them rather than almost hitting every single one of them.
I think that's the confidence of like flying into them. That's the thing that I need to get over. But also, the chain is kind of all over the place.
Yeah, so it's important to have the chain not too cross, so it's not just jumping. So again,
Right.
like middle cassette to give that kind of nice smooth momentum, and the chain's not doing like this all the time.
Okay.
So it needs to be under tension.
Okay. Well,
Don't tense your forearms.
I'm trying not to, but even that short section this
That's
morning.
because he's trying to show the guns.
Is he?
He's like, you
I
know,
have sightless arms.
the camera's out. Let me get
I
those
have sightless
out.
arms. I do not have guns. There are none.
Come on, get move on. Go, I'm dying. Quick. Far, far.
Easy.
Oh my God. I listened to none of your advice. Go.
To the line.